The day you stop blaming institutional traders, operators, Jane Street, big money, that is where you'll start making money in the market. So try to understand, whales move the ocean. Okay. So we don't want ocean of profits. It's our duty as a retail trader to ride with risk and not with the ego. Okay, this person who's trying to sail here in the ocean, he has clear risk managed. Try to understand. Helmet is ready, board is ready, he is ready with his position. That is more important. Same as a trader, the job is to focus on high probability trades. ये रैंडम ट्रेड और तुक्का ट्रेड में और कितना लॉसेस करोगे. स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी ट्रेड विद अ क्लियर फोकस. मतलब फोकस इंपॉर्टेंट है सर. प्राइस ऊपर नीचे मूव हो रहा है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द पर्सन हु इज sailing in an ocean, he is not looking all the waves. Waves will move up and down in ocean, but he is focused on what? The timing, the low risk high reward ride. So it's always risk has to be managed. मतलब आप कितना लॉस करने वाले हो इस ट्रेड में, इसका आइडिया आपको होना जरूरी है. प्रॉफिट मार्केट देगा, बट लॉस की क्लियर अवेयरनेस इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. सो इट्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. Your work as a trader is to not look or not blame around the market. The operators are moving the market, this is happening, that is happening, big players are trapping us. So the more you try to find excuses, the more you blame others, you will not focus. Lesser you blame, start focusing like the person with risk manage. मतलब कितना लॉस हो रहा है उसका क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए. If a percentage, मान के चलिए, if you are losing 10k in this trade, what is the damage in your trading capital? मतलब if the damage is 1%, 0.5%, 2%, still fine and fair. If you are losing 10k in a trade, 10,000 in a trade, मतलब आपका trading capital में 20% उड़ गया, 20% out, 15% has been out, means problem. Even anything beyond 5%, 4% itself is a problem. So be very clear कि कब कहाँ कैसे करना है. But remember, trading में कभी भी emotion से profit नहीं बनता है सर. You have to be prepared to focus on सिर्फ हाई प्रॉपर्टी. मतलब चार्ट भी क्लियर है, ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम भी क्लियर है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि यू आर पुटिंग फुल कैपिटल. नहीं सर, यू आर ओवर रिस्किंग 10%, 20% ऑफ कैपिटल. दैट इज वेयर प्रॉब्लम. किसी को नहीं पता है सर, आपने पूरा दिन बैठ के एनालिसिस किया होगा. यू हैव मेड अ क्लियर प्लान. मार्केट ओपन के पहले यू हैव मेड अ प्रॉपर प्लान, प्रॉपर एनालिसिस, लेवल मार्क, जोन मार्क्ड. Just in a span of 10 minutes, your stop loss will get triggered. Just in a span of 30 minutes, your stop loss will get triggered. So this doesn't mean you have not put in hard work, smart work. Nahi sir. Trading mein nothing should be decided on just by one trade or just by few trades. Think about what will be your trading capital growth after 100 trades, but without any tukka trade, without any random trade. You just now dream about that. It will be a fantastic, beautiful, multiple X developed growth in your trading capital. Now, next, it's very important. What is the current market in front of you? You have to react accordingly. Most traders' problem is mixing both directional and non-directional trading and trying to make money. चांस ही नहीं है सर. ट्राई टू बी मेच्योर्ड इनफ. मतलब डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडर के लिए कब प्रॉफिट बनता है सर? लाइक दिस कार. इफ अ कार इज मूविंग फास्टर, इट हैज मोमेंटम. मतलब स्पीड है, फास्ट मोमेंटम है. ओके. इफ यू आर राइडिंग अ स्मॉल बोट, यू कैन नॉट राइड इट फास्टली. मतलब स्लोली स्टेडीली राइड करना पड़ता है. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब मार्केट फास्ट मोमेंटम की फोकस में, मार्केट इज मूविंग फास्ट, तो उस टाइम पे जस्ट only try to focus on your trading directional system. जब मार्केट स्लो है, मार्केट में कोई क्लियर डायरेक्शन नहीं है, नाउ डोंट टेल मी सर मार्केट कब स्पीड हो जाता है कब स्लो होता है इसका आइडिया नहीं, सिंपल है। टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट चार्ट को जूम आउट करके देखिए, मार्केट ऊपर नीचे लाइक दिस रोटेटिंग इन अ वाइड रेंज या फिर स्मॉल रेंज, तो सबको पता है मार्केट स्लो है। जब मार्केट हायर लो लोअर हाई फॉर्मेशन के साथ ऊपर जा रहा है या फिर प्राइस अग्रेसिवली ऊपर जा रहा है, अग्रेसिवली मूविंग डाउन मींस, तो यहाँ पे आपको भी पता है, इवन आई नो यू नो दिस मार्केट इज नॉट फेवरेबल फॉर नॉन डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडर। बट व्हाट हैपेंस ना, मोस्ट ट्रेडर्स हैव अ रिजिड माइंडसेट। रिजिड माइंडसेट का मतलब क्या है सर? सर कुछ भी हो जाए 365 डेज, whenever the market is open I will only do non directional trading। प्रॉब्लम है सर, मार्केट इज स्लो और फास्ट मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है सर, मैं तो डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडर हूं, मैं डायरेक्शनल ही करूंगा। रिजिड माइंडसेट प्रॉब्लम। मार्केट इज नॉट गोना रिवॉर्ड यू। मैंने पहले भी पिछले वीडियो में बताया था, मार्केट डोंट केयर वेदर यू ट्रेड वेदर आई ट्रेड, चाहे आप प्रॉफिट बनाओ लॉस बनाओ, मार्केट को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है सर। मार्केट ओनली केयर्स इफ मार्केट इज गोइंग इन अ मोमेंटम। मतलब मार्केट डायरेक्शनल का मतलब ना एक ही साइड डायरेक्शनल अप डायरेक्शनली डाउन, नो सर, never. Market can fluctuate fastly up and down, still this is direction, मतलब aggressively ऊपर जा रहा है। Nifty rising 200 300 400 points one side, next day 400 500 points, or next week 400 500 points dropping down in one side, that is also directional trade. Now just try to go back and think how many times during a fast momentum market या फिर one sided directional market you have taken non-directional trade and lost money, later blame market to retail trader का habit है, which has to be stopped। आपने directional trading market में high momentum market, directional one sided market, you have decided to run your non-directional trading system without looking at the market structure, without looking at the market context, later blaming market whether it is worth just 30 seconds of your time, think, you will understand who was wrong, whether market or you and your own mindset and approach. Next, always be clear. Whenever you anyone, I don't know how many have played chess or how many have watched any match. Chess match is being played between two players. Price, I will compare chess with trading because it's one of the fantastic game. Price will move up and down because price ka work is to move up and down. But like a chess player, you have to be clear. The chess player has multiple chess coins to be focused, but he is clear to move this particular coin at what? Step 1, step 2, one move at a time, or what should be the plan? He is prepared. Matlab, same, the trader should not be distracted by this up and down fluctuation of price. Price sir यहाँ पे suddenly एक candle formation, suddenly bearish candle बन गया, suddenly price reversing, continuous green 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 candle forming, X chart pattern forming, Y candle pattern is forming. No, these are all pure distraction. Sir, I have marked the support level, I have marked the resistance level. There is one more resistance here. Now it's better to focus around the support, focus around the resistance. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? What is happening around this? Same like a chess player, he is focused. There are multiple coins, but he is prepared with the next plan to focus on this coin according to the game. I repeat, according to the game which is going on right in front of him. Same like you traders have to react, plan according to the chart which is in front of you. 25 days back, sir, this pattern has formed, then market continuously blasted up. Sir, why pattern is formed, why candlesticks pattern has formed, and then market move went down. Went 45 days back happened, today also it will happen. Nahi sir. 45 days back, if price is reversing like this, there should have been some other support zone, demand zone, or previous I dominating bulls. So because of that, price has made a move. Location. You have to be aware of location. नहीं, retail traders को तो urgent है profit कमाने के लिए. सिर्फ they are ignoring the location. They are ignoring last time what was the support, what was the resistance, where was the price. ये सब चीज ignore कर देते हैं. हमको सिर्फ ये पैटर्न दिखता है. पैटर्न देख लिया, जूम बूम मार्केट में पैसा बन जाता है. नहीं बनता है सर. ओके. रॉकेट, showing rocket in social media. When 10 points move, 20 points move, it will not reward. आपको ये पैटर्न देखने से पहले आपको लोकेशन देखना पड़ता है. Then only you have a clear plan ready. Now, एंट्री तो सब कर लेते हैं सर. एंट्री तो सब कर लेते हैं. प्रॉब्लम कहां पे आ रहा है? तो एग्जिट अर्लियर. मतलब क्यों? होप, फियर, ego. These are just trying to tie the trader, which leading them to struggle to come out of an emotion, to struggle to have a clear exit plan. That is very important. Now you have to be very clear, sir. Whenever you are taken a trade, okay, you have to have a checklist. Like this person on the right side has a checklist very clear. Checklist में entry plan, कितना quantity लेना है, what is the risk should be taken, exit plan, everything should be there, prepared, ready before the trade. Now, when you find something going wrong, going against your trade in the chart clearly, there should be no hope, fear, ego कि यहाँ से market reverse हो जाएगा. नहीं sir. When things are not correct, when chart is completely trying ready to go against your position, better exit plan के साथ come out. No problem. Try to understand. Hoping कि market you have taken a bullish position, price नीचे आ रहा है, यहाँ से reverse हो जाएगा. Price will reverse from here. Price will reverse from here तो मतलब market will go down, down and down. तो यहाँ पे क्या problem आ जाता है सर? Hope, first of all, first negative emotion, उसके बाद fear, उसके बाद ego. What happened? Mentally आप burned out हो जाएगा. You will be mentally burned out because आपने exit properly नहीं दिया. One bad trade can hurt your account in a big damage. Okay. मतलब not only this, a wrong exit leads to bigger loss. Bigger loss will damage your mindset for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 trade. Whether is that worth? एक ट्रेड की मिस्टेक which you have made in one trade should never spoil your trading capital, should never spoil your next 5, 10, 15 trades का confidence, mental stability. Okay, once you exit with the clarity ना, लॉस पे एग्जिट किया, लॉस कंट्रोल में है, रिस्क मैनेज तो करना पड़ता है सर. लॉस इज कंट्रोल. मेंटल कैपिटल, यू आर मेंटली स्टेबल. तब मेंटली वंस यू आर स्टेबल ना, you are prepared, you will be ready for the next trade with clarity and confidence, without hope, fear, frustration, pressure, tension, hypertension, ego, kuch nahi. Okay. Now next biggest problem is egos. As I already mentioned, just look at the person on the right side, react to the reality, not biased. इसका मतलब, what is the meaning of this? React with clear plan, with clear checklist. What is in front of your screen? What is the chart? What is telling? Okay. Clarity comes by following the price, not having the ego. ego of wanting to be right all the time. मतलब मैंने analyze किया. I have made analysis for last 2 hours, 3 hours. I have prepared plan. That means the trade should be in my favor. Chance ही नहीं. No sir. Trading is an in trading. I'll tell you one thing. You can be correct on every point, but still the trade can go against you. So always have a probability mindset. आपका क्या focus रहना चाहिए? Focus on the things which is in our control. Okay. Always be clear. Whatever chart you are seeing, chart देखने से क्या फायदा सर? What is the main key importance या फिर benefit by tracking the chart? It can guide you the next move. Okay, it is not giving guarantee कि your next analysis will be correct. नहीं. So don't be so much detached or so much attached clearly कि my analysis should be correct. Okay, just be prepared कि focus on the probability. Trade सही भी हो सकता है, गलत भी हो सकता है. सही हो रहा है if trade goes in your favor. If you are making 20,000 when trade goes in your favor, when trade goes against you, if you are losing 8,000, 7,000, 10,000, 12,000, means no problem. You have a good risk reward, so risk management is also there, so it's very easy to clear all the losses and become consistently profitable. Okay, don't marry any trade. Be flexible, adapt to the current market condition, trade what you see in the chart. Don't trade your ego and don't trade whatever you are thinking in the market. I'll tell you a simple scenario, sir. Even if 100 traders are sitting in the same simple or a same conference room with this big screen of chart like this in front of you with 100 plus traders are sitting, if entry point is here, everyone are entering at the same point, I'll tell you the exit will be different for all traders. Why? Because more dominating by emotions. You have executed a rate, price slightly go down, more negative emotions after traders who are in fear, frustration, pressure, tension. Before even stop loss, they will see the MTM and they will come out. Few traders, once they taken a trade, price slightly goes in the favor. अरे यार MTM profit दिखा रहा है, ठीक है आज का first trade I have taken, so let me book the profit. You are breaking the rules. That is the problem. If even 100 or 1,000 traders sitting in the same conference hall taking a trade at the same entry level, each will have different exit point because every trader have their own mindset, own approach, own risk taking ability, own profit booking ability, own calmness and their own level of patience. So now it's you, your work is important to identify yourself. That is the reason I always tell to identify yourself, to become mentally stable, mindset stable, trading psychology stable. It will take 1 year. It's not about one day. Minimum 6 months is required with a proper guidance, or else it's very, very, very difficult. So we start becoming more matured enough now. It's now or never.